Hello everyone! Learn how to make delicious Qatayef Asafiri, a popular dessert in Syria and Lebanon.
This recipe uses a simple batter made from 450 milliliters of water, 1 cup of flour, 200 grams, 3/4 cup of fine semolina, 150 grams, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 30 grams, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of instant yeast, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
Mix the ingredients well and let the batter rest for 15 minutes.
Then strain the mixture through a sieve. Once heated over medium heat, pour a small amount of the batter into several shallow pans to form Qatayef discs.
Keep the batter discs for about 30 seconds to prevent burning and keep them soft. Fold one side of each batter disc and fill it with the Qatayef cream mixture. The cream ingredients are listed in the recipe box.
Dip the edges of the pastries in ground pistachios or hazelnuts for garnish. You can also leave some plain for more variety. This dessert is soft, creamy, and irresistible. Perfect for Ramadan and all special occasions. Finally, before serving, drizzle a little syrup over the Qatayef or gently dip them in the syrup before serving.